Would we be using will we be knowing how to use the LED mask?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Interesting. No, no le puedo poner para los ojos, Marta, porque entonces no va a agarrar el facial.
Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna find her a link and shoot it to you guys.
Because this is kind of similar to what just came in, right? The 7, that's not it, right?
Is that on eBay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it might be the right one. Just have to really good look at it. You don't want to order something that kind of comes in crazy. Like, but no worries, we're gonna get the right ones. These machines, I know they always make mistakes by missing certain things, rubber little pieces that the air needs to actually flow through. They can miss the things that we're missing right now. They miss a lot of stuff, and we pay good money for this stuff. And then you can always contact them and say, look, we're missing this. They're good on replacing things, which is good, because they know their workers. They're all basically in a big factory trying to process all these orders from across the world. Which it is hard. I don't blame them for missing just 1 or 2 things, but sometimes they're major things and you need them.
Because we have this to keep the.
Oh yes. Ben, we have 2 patients that have like grade 1 to 2 acne. One might be beginning level 3. When do we use like these extraction tools?
Oh, immediately.
Immediately.
Oh, yeah.
But then after we use it with the patient, we have to disinfect, right? Put it on the.
Or UV sanitizer, all that good for your tools. Yeah.
Do I need to buy one of those machines so I can sanitize them a different way?
Actually, you don't have to buy a whole machine. You can just do barbicide, like a little cup
blue?
with the blue, right? The stuff that
Oh, okay.
you see at the barbers that clean instruments and tools.
Right.
Oh yeah, nothing lives in barbicide.
And just
Not
put
even
it in
coronavirus. Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's worse than chlorine.
Oh,
It kills.
okay, so we'll get that then.
Yes, the machines are good. Like if you just want to be so super sterile, like a hospital, you don't really need a UV sanitizer. You don't have to, because I've rarely worked for anybody who actually has one, even the best mace.
I had one, but I wasn't using it because I don't use towels. People don't like towels anymore because of COVID, so I gave it to somebody.
So it's
El señor Fernando se las regaló.
because it's nice to have, but you don't really need it.
Cuando yo me canso de algo, yo escribo los regalos de colegio.
It would have been nice to have it for
Es que
the
también
towels.
¿Ah?
For the towels. To keep the towels warm.
Oh, you mean a hot towel cabbie? Yeah, you always need a hot towel. Yeah, hot towel cabbies are wonderful. So like say you have a steamer, but sometimes you don't even need a steamer. If you have a hot towel cabbie, you can just actually have a hot towel, put it on the face. That steams the face just like a steamer would be. So you don't need a steamer, you just need a hot towel cabbie. Hot towel cabbies are much
Online, check it
cheaper.
online, hot tub Kobe.
Or you can say it's hot towel steamer or just, it'll pop up.
Ben, and then at the end, I want you to tell us like how we can better fix the room.
No problem.
Do you have space there, or you want us to bring the table more forward?
Oh no, this is perfect.
That's good.
Okay.
So.
Is there anything else you need?
Can I get, do you have a little small, like little bowl, like hot water?
You want a hot water bowl?
Yeah. And that's all I need.
Okay, so I'm gonna look at it and you.
Sure, do you need to sit? Yeah, let me get your chair or something.
No, I can stay up. Yeah. I can move on that side if you want me to.
Yeah, I'll get your chair. No, you're fine.
Okay. So for example.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. 'Cause you get to the machine. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Let me get out. So for her, for example, I don't see that she has any issues. I wouldn't have to do any extractions. Like her skin looks good. I would just want to like rejuvenate it, open up her, cleanse her skin, just so the products that she's using can penetrate better. So I'll leave it at that. What else do you see that we can work on? Or am I okay with my assessment?
Yes, that is totally fine. We're just gonna do a little bit of extractions on the nose because her pores are
Open?
Open.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna close those up real good. The chemical peel's gonna go right in there. We're just gonna extract this little small bump here.
Oh, okay.
And Dermaplaning, we're gonna take care of the small hairs, vellus hairs, any unwanted hair. I've seen underneath her chin, looks wonderful. I always worry about a woman's underneath their chin, because hormonally something's going like stress. They'll have like really, really bad bumps or discoloration like hyperpigmentation. And they have like man hairs. When you get like hair, yeah, that's something hormonal, like something's going on, like stress at home, husband, wife, girlfriend, whoever. Somebody's stressing you. Oh yeah, perfect. Make sure you get a chair. I'm gonna get you a chair. And yeah, you guys can sit down because it's gonna be
I
like
can pass you what you need, so then I can get my training.
I want to see what's going on too.
So Karina, get close. I hope you don't feel uncomfortable.
What is the pink?
Oh, just the sponges.
Oh, look,
they
they're
got
growing.
big.
Oh, Ben, you gotta give us all the tip on what to get, okay?
You'll have a lot of.
Yeah, I'll send a whole list of, and it's just basic stuff that every esthetician needs.
Okay.
Stuff that our schools don't really prepare us for, wish, but they don't. And these are just the tools. Your Dermaplane, this is yours. These are the blades with the handle. I didn't buy get 10 blades. I actually ran out of the 10 blades, but the 14, they fit the same handle. The 10 actually like cuts the.
Oh, this is flatter.
Right.
So this is better.
It is.
Yeah, because then you don't cut up the tip.
Exactly. Right. Because I know you said I don't want the 10. I was like, 10.
No, I have 11, like to remove sutures, you know, because the 11s are super pointy, and I don't want to put something like that on the face.
And those points were made for like certain clefts or crevices, so you can really get in there. But you don't really need that sharp one anymore. You can just use these, the little smaller. So these are the newer models. So see how like this gets right into the crevices, so you don't need the pointy. It's still bladed like a little butter knife, so it doesn't poke in. Because if you're trying to get somebody's area and you poke it, it hurts. Like, oh my god. And it's easy to make a mistake. Even if you're the best esthetician in the world, you can make mistakes with those pointed tools. So yeah, I'm glad that they're advancing the aesthetics industry. Because yeah, you can almost cause worse problems with those sharp. And they're basically made for surgeons, actually, to cut puncture into the skin.
That's what I used to use them for when I used to be in the operating room.
Right. And
Oh, you do microneedling too, Ben?
Oh, of course.
That's good.
Do you do it with the facial?
So right, so this machine is just basically a jump start. Like if somebody's car battery dies or something like that, the car is fine. Everything is running good. You just may have left your lights on. So this jump starts your aesthetic treatment, but you may still need your engine parts to really affect change.
I'm gonna dilute this a little
Sure.
better because I see
No problem.
bumps.
Do you do it before or after the facial?
Which one?
The microneedling.
Like during it. Like I usually do it
Que si no la
before I
máquina
do the
se va a
chemical peel.
tapar.
Oh.
So I can open up the pores.
Okay.
So that's what this little thing is right here. This is the little small needles. And it goes right on top of it and it punctures the skin. Sort of like.
Oh, this is the 12 one.
Yeah, there's 36, there's 8 or 10 one. We should have on a chair. I think I said, yeah, we can get another chair. Or do you have another rolling like this one?
No.
Does it feel better if you guys are comfortable?
It's okay.
Because she's comfortable. She's laying down.
Are you comfortable, Martha?
Ya me estaba durmiendo.
Oh, she's just falling asleep. That's how comfortable she is. So Ben.
Yes.
Okay, no, I just want you to start because now I was thrown off by cleansing, like doing the extractions on the nose. I don't know when we'll fit that in.
Alright, so I'm gonna go through like a whole, this is what I would do with the machine. You're like, oh, okay, I see what he's doing here. This is when I did this. And it's all gonna add up.
Okay.
Alright, so we're just gonna move your hand a little bit this way. Perfect.
Well, let me get a chalk so then hold on. The little, el azulito. Para ponérselo abajo. ¿Este? Sí, porque no se moje la cara. Uno.
Oh.
Ben, I'm gonna put this on the.
Thank you so much. Sure. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wonderful.
Ya se lo segundo, José, que si se van a hacer los faciales, to just keep the bed flat. When the patient comes in, it's already flat. Put like a towel on top of it, so then it's ready.
What you need, towel?
Yeah,
For the
like
bed?
a towel.